Welcome to Future Stars. I'm your Vedic Maths instructor, and our today's topic is division of 4 digits by 1 digits. In our first part, we have learned how to divide 4 digit by 1 digit. Only we have taken 9 as our divisor, but here we will do all the single digit numbers. So let's start. Okay, so suppose we are taking with the number 8 divided by 3213. Okay, now as I told you, when we are dividing by single digit, our base will be 10. Okay, so let's do 10 minus 8 is 2, right? Now here we will write 2 as it is, and as we are dividing by single digit, so we will leave single digit at the last. Okay, now let copy the first digit as it is, 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, now add both the numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now you can see that 8 is equal to 8. Okay, your divisor shouldn't be equal to the numbers you're getting. So what you will do, just divide it separately. 8 divided by 8, you will get 1 as quotient and 0 as remainder, right? This is the normal division what we did. This is the normal division. Now this quotient part you will add below 3, so you will get 4, and the remainder you will write as it is 0. Fine. See, 0 into 2 is 0. You will get here 1. Now 1 into 2 is 2. Here you will get 5. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder part. I hope you understood. Okay, let's move on to the second question. If you have watched my previous video, part 1 of division of 4 by 1 digit, then you might have understood this much. Let's move on to the second question and do it. Suppose we took a number 6213 divided by 8. Okay, so again we will write here 2, make a block and copy the 6 as it is. Right, now 6 into 2 is 6 into 2 is 12. Here you will get 14. Now 14 is greater than 8, right? Divisor is smaller, so means you will again divide it. Here you will get 1, and as remainder you will get 6. So this quotient part 1 you will add below 6, you will get 7, and the remainder what you are getting 6, write as it is. Now 6 into 2 is 12. Again you will get 13, right? So again for 13 you have to divide it further. This is the normal division what we have to do. Okay, now you will get 5, add 1 what you are getting below 6. Okay, you have to add whatever you are getting in the quotient part in the previous number. Okay, like here we added 1 in the previous number. Now if we are dividing 13, we will add 1 in the previous number. So this will get 7, 7, and the remainder we will get 5. We will write here. Now 5 into 2 is 10 again. Okay, so 13 we will get. Again we will divide 13 further, so we will be getting 1 here. So we'll add 1 in the previous number, that is below 5. Then we'll get 7, 7, 6 as our quotient, and our remainder will be 5. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now we are done with 7. The same we have to do with 7 and 6. So let's see one more question, then you will be able to do all the questions divided by single digit. Okay, let's take our first question. 7 divided by 3112. Okay, write here 3 because I hope till now you understood why we are writing 3 over here, because 10 is our base minus 7 is 3. Okay, so we will write here 3, make a block leaving the last digit. Now write 3, copy the 3 as it is. 3 into 3 is 9, we will get here 10. So 10 we cannot write, so divide 10 further. You will get 1 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So add 1 as quotient in the previous number, that is below 3, you will get 4. Now write 3 as it is. Now 3 into 3 is 9 again, you will get 10. So again you will divide further 10, you will get 1 as quotient, we did here. So 4, 4 and 3 you will write as it is. Okay, now you can see 3 into 3 is again 9, so we will get 11. Now if you divide 11 further, you will get 1 as quotient and 4 as remainder. So add 1 in the previous number, you will get 444 as quotient and your final remainder will be 4. Okay, I hope you understood. So we can divide all the numbers like this, just the digits here will be keep changing. Suppose here we got 6, so here it becomes 4 and so on. Okay, you have to just subtract the number. Like 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 5 is 5. So like that you can do it. I hope you like the series, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, you can go and watch it, and please like and subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates of my new video. Bye bye, have a nice day. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below, I'll surely answer it.